My name is Nick. I drive a 2016 Dodge Charger RT.
Tell us a little bit about yourself.
I've got a wife, 2 young boys, Jaden and Riker. I'm a 10-year veteran with the United States Air Force, and I'm currently an IT programmer.
What influenced you to want to be part of the car community?
So for that, I'd have to say it goes back to my uncle, honestly. Growing up, he used to take us to RMR all the time, and just hearing the roar of those vehicles going down the quarter mile. And then I really got into it high school. I modified my first car, and ever since then, it's kind of just took off.
What modifications have you made to your car?
I've got cold air intake, power sticks, and power sticks just replace your mid muffler. I've done a lot of visual mods. I've wrapped the roof black, Hellcat spoiler, stuff like that.
How did you hear about the Utah HeadTurners?
I actually work with Peter. I did work with Peter, and as soon as I bought the car, he hit me up. We were talking about an exhaust system, and he hit me up when we met up at work one day and talked about the HeadTurners and what they're all about. I really wanted to join, and I've been with them pretty much since the beginning.
What is your favorite part about being a Utah HeadTurner?
Favorite part about being a Utah HeadTurner would have to be Hogs for Humanity, honestly. Seeing those kids' faces at the end of the cruise, honestly, is the best part. When we present them with that car and they see, just seeing the smiles on their faces of what we have done as a car community and a motorcycle community to come together and present them with that is just, it's amazing.
If you could sit down and talk with anyone about your love for cars, who would it be and why?
That would honestly be Paul Walker. Obviously, we know that's not available now anymore, but the love that Paul had for his cars. I mean, there was an episode I watched of him going through his garage, and just he had a passion for every single car he had in that garage, and every single one of them was different. If I could just sit down and talk with him and walk through his garage with him, I mean, that would have been amazing.